How did he land up in Vasai?
He came to meet me because Alvin told that come meet me.
Sorry?
Alvin said, come meet me.
Okay.
That's all.
And did he come and meet you?
Yes, because Alvin told Steven that tell Shalin to come along.
Okay.
Steven called me up. Steven said that I want you coming, please come. I'm like, fine, I'll come. I went over there. We were hanging out. Then we came to my area. That's all.
Where's your area?
My area is Om Nagar, Dhuri Complex. Dhuri Complex, Om Nagar.
Okay. Then what happened?
Then,
You went with him there,
where?
with Stephen.
They were.
You met Stephen over there?
Yeah.
Okay, at what time?
Around say what time it was? Yeah.
What time?
1:30.
1:30 in the morning?
No, in the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
Yeah.
Saturday afternoon, 1:30. She came
Were
1:30.
you with her?
Yeah, she came 1:30. She came
What's
at
your
1:30.
name? Tanvi.
Yeah.
And your name?
Shalin.
You were with her at 1:30.
No, I came around 1:45, 1:50, something like that.
Where were you at 1:30?
I was getting ready to just leave.
Leave for what?
Leave to meet them.
1 minute, I'm asking you, you don't answer.
I got a call from we were supposed to come Bandra. Alright, we were supposed to come Bandra to change a top. I just took a top. So she's like, there are some changes in the plan. Sunil is coming Thursday. So we'll hang out in Thursday. So I'm like, yeah, it's okay. So I was having my food and all. The Shalva calls me. Yeah, come fast. 1:30 I get ready. Around 1:30, 35 I leave. And just 10 minutes walking distance, I reached her building.
Now, what was the idea of meeting at 1:40 or 1:30 or 1 o'clock as you
No,
said?
it was nothing like that. Ollie wanted to meet Steven.
Why?
We don't know. Alvin said Steven like come Vasai.
Who's Alvin?
Alvin is my ex.
Your ex? Wow.
But how you are
And
told
this,
Auntie, one second.
and this Alvin and Steven know each other. They know
Yeah,
each
I know
other.
they are far away cousins. That's all.
Are they far cousins? Alvin? Is Alvin a far cousin of yours? No. No.
But
I don't know. That's what he is.
means they are like, we don't know about it. Alvin said like he's my far away cousin like that something.
That's right. He made him a cousin without being a cousin. Okay. And then what happened? And then what happened?
Then we just met.
And what happened after that? You all just met and went?
No, we
Then?
just met. We were supposed to watch a movie, but we were just sitting in the area till something around 2:30.
So what were you all doing there? That's what I'm trying to ask
We
you.
were just sitting in the area and we were just talking. We just gossiping around, nothing else. We were just
And you all were gossiping, just four of you.
yeah, five.
Who was the fifth one?
The Reese.
So there were 3 boys and you 2 girls. Till what time were you all gossiping?
Maybe something around 2:30. Yeah, 2:30 we got a rig, and then we went to the Stella. Then there we were supposed to watch a movie, but then movie timing was of I think 5:45. Yeah, 5:45 show was there. So
Ma'am, you please keep quiet.
5:45.
When I have to come to you, I'll come to you.
5:45 ka show was there, and it was just 3:50. We were thinking like what to do, we'll wait for so long, it's just 3:15 now and we'll wait till 5:45. Okay, so we went to the Status. There's a hotel named Status towards Stella itself. So we went there, we had something.
Who all?
Me, Shalin, Steven, Alvin and Reese.
All 5 of you are back.
We were at the hotel, we were just chilling out, and then later when we came out of the hotel, so we were just going again to Om Nagar, the same area. Around we reached hotel something 3:30, 3:45, something like that. Then we left hotel at 6, right? Yeah, we reached in the area around 6:50.
What you know, you talk about yourself.
Don't worry, son. I'm listening to both. Just relax.
Then
That's
we
what I told her.
Then we reached in the area around 6:15. So I said, like I want to get fresh. So I went at her place. Me and she, we went at her place. We got fresh. By that time, Alvin, Reese, and Steven, they were sitting in her area itself. And then when we come down, this Alvin is like I don't know what happened. He was really he was, I don't know what happened to Alvin. He's like, I want to show you some tricks and all like that. He was
What?
Alvin, he was like, I want to show you something, and he just stood on the middle of the road, and a van was coming from there. So he's like,
What van?
a kind of a van, you know,
Okay,
a motor
just
vehicle.
okay.
Yeah, 1 second.
Auntie, one second. He want the press one. And get her back. Get her back.
Yeah.